Hello and welcome on to this tutorial. My name is Peter, and on to this tutorial we're just going to see how you can be able to add these estimated delivery and date time or whatever it takes. It's just a tab you're going to add in a WooCommerce that you'll be able to display estimated delivery time and handling time and shipping, all that. We're going to add them. We're just going to do it all for free without installing a single plugin, but this will come if you know how to add the code within a within a function.php. If you don't know that, don't worry. I'm just going to show you how you can be able to add the code using a simple plugin called code snippet plugin that will help us to add the code. This is how it will work. This product on the single product page, you'll be able to display that how estimated data for the delivery of the product, and you're also going to include handling time, like how long are you going to handle the product after you have received it and before delivery. And the other thing is that what the shipping class does this belong. If you have maybe a free delivery or same day delivery, whatever you want give or the shipping classes you have, you're going to fetch the data and you're going to display it here. I'm going to show you that or that. If for instance we have handling data, if we need to head over to the single product page, so you have now that if you say delivery date is time and handling time is only 3 hours, we say maybe that 30 minutes, let's say 30 minutes before. So we have a free delivery. This is the class. This I want it to be after the cut. You can be able to customize. You can use color code. You can use the color name, and you can include a lot if you wish. Once you have done the changes you want, let's update. Once that is done, we need to head over here and we need to be able to refresh. Remember, you have changed a lot, and you can see it after add the cart. We have changed these to estimated date. So today is 29. It will be within 2400 product. It take 30 minutes, and now the shipping class has changed to delivery. Don't worry about that. Let me show you how you can be able to customize on that. Let's get into action. What you just need to do. What you just need to do to add the features in your website, you need to head over to the dashboard. On here, we have the plugin. We need to install a plugin that is called Code Snippet that will help us to add the snippet this easy way. So you need to install it if you don't have it in your website. So head over to Add New, search for Code Snippet. Once that is done, the plugin that you're going to use is called Code Snippet from Code Snippet Pro. 1 million plus active installation, last updated just 2 weeks ago. Just install and activate. Once you've done it, head over to your admin dashboard. You have this now button for snippet. Once you have it, select Add New. You just need to have this Add New. Once you just need to give it a name, and for the code, I include the link on the description. We just direct you to this post here, and all you just need to do, just click on this button. It will just copy all the code for you, and you just need to do, just come here, paste the code. Remember to save and activate. We have save and activate here, or else you can save here and you can activate. Once you've done it, because I have the code, I'm avoiding the error of duplicate. So here we have it. We have this how the code will look like. This is how the code will look like. I have changed nothing, just the widgets. Remember to save and activate. Once you've done it, if you want to add a specific, let me head over to the shop page. I show you. We just open a simple product here or another product here. So let's open this product here. You see, this product doesn't have, but it has the feature is that because it has not been enabled for this product. So all you just need to do, we need to edit the product. Once you edit the product, only click to edit the product. We have now on the product data, there we have this menu here, select ship and delivery. This is why you now need to fill in all the data. Like for instance, if I say the handling time is 2 days, 100 estimated delivery is 2 days. We have handling delivery, which will be maybe 3 hours, 3 minutes, or 3 hours, or 1 hour. Let me just put 1 hour here, and I choose 1 minute because the minutes or 1 hour. You can change the time unit. We have the shipping class. We have these two time shipping class. Let's see how you can be able to add another shipping class. All you just need to do is head over here to the WooCommerce, select setting. We need to head to where we have the shipping. So we have shipping here. We add the class that we are going to use there. So we have the classes here. Once you have it, we have this, we can be able to edit, we can edit that, or we can be able, let's add another one like weekly 2-day delivery. Let me use something like 2 days delivery. Like that. Let me copy this one and I paste it here. I'm not going to include this one and all that, but let me say 2 days delivery, or maybe you can be able to customize and add all you want. So for me, that is it. So that's what we have for now. If we head over back here to airport, we cannot be able to see. All you just need to do is we need to refresh the page here so that we can be able to load now what we have added. So if we head over back to shipping here, you can see we have now the one we have added to the delivery. You have express and you have the free delivery. That's how you can be able to add the shipping class. Let me remember to let me add this one. So the other thing is the position you want it to be displayed. Like for this one, do you want this one was after the add to cart? So for this one, let it be before the cut. We have border. You can put something like red border width. I can use something like 2. A background color, I can use something like white. Text color, let me use something like red or black. Let me use red or black. With that now, all I just need to do is publish. Once now I publish, I need to open this in a single on another page here. You can see what we have just added. Remember, it didn't have, but now once you have filled all the data, it's now display, and the customer can be able to see that estimated delivery for this product is this time, and you can be able to add handling time for this, and you can be able to set the shipping class for the product. I hope you did learn something out of this tutorial. If you did, remember to hit the thumbs up. Remember to like these tutorials for it to be suggested to people who may be in need of the tutorial like you are. And without further ado, let me say until next time, adios muchachos.